Good morning, children. A warm welcome to you all. In our today's English class, we are going to see the continuation of our previous class. I hope you remember what we learned in our previous class. Yes, it's articles. There, which topic we learned? Definite article. So today we are going to see the indefinite article. Okay. Before entering into today's portion, just we can have a recall of what we learned in our previous class. Okay, children. Okay. Article. What are the articles? A and the. So we learned definite article. Is it? Is this the definite article? The. So the indefinite articles. A and an. So which are the places this the will come, that is definite article can be used. So all those things we learned in our previous class, is it ma? So there we learned before the when we are particularly mentioning a whole class or particular person, place or a thing, or before the mountains, oceans, seas, gulfs, rivers, or group of islands, there before that we will use them, and before the names of the holy books, and before the nouns which are unique and only one of its kind. What is one of it? Can you say an example? Yes, moon, sun, that kind of things. Then before superlative degrees, okay, so the tallest, the shortest, the cleverest, like that, there will be used before the superlatives. Before dailies means newspapers, ships, then airlines. Okay, before all that we will be using this there. Before the ordinal numbers, ordinals means ordinals and cardinals you may learn, is it? Ordinals means the first, the second, the third, like that. There before that we will use the article the. Then before important events and buildings, that is that the Taj Mahal, the civil disobedient movement, like that I told. Then before plural names of the country, see, the USA, the United States of America, it's a plural, okay, name. So there before that we will use them. And before the musical instruments I told, the guitar, the veena, the violin, okay, whatever it may be. Then if the language stand for the people, language, when it stands for the people, we will use this article the. Then before adjectives representing a group of people, okay, the poor, the rich, when we are telling this, the poor, the rich means the rich, the word belong represents a people, okay, represents the people. Then before some comparative adjective, before directions, the north, the east, the west, okay, so before the adjectives. Then directions, before the particular person or a thing, he is the person I need, okay, so whatever it means, this is the book I want, okay. So this all things we learned in our previous class. Okay, so today we are entering into the topic indefinite article. Okay, this indefinite articles only we are going to learn today. What are the indefinite articles? A and an. Now we are going to see where we can use this a and an. Okay, so first we can, a and an are used in the sense of one, a apple, okay, a pen, okay, one. When you are talking about something singular, one item, before that we can use this article a or an. Then a is used before consonant sound, that is the thing, okay ma, keep in mind, a is used before consonant sound, an is used before vowel sound. Okay, I'm not telling consonant letters and vowel letters, not letters, it's sound. Okay, so what are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O, U. So this is the vowels. So before that vowel sound, an will come. Before the consonant sound, we can use A. Got it, children? A and A will be used before consonant sound. This an will be used before vowel sound. Okay, before a singular noun. Okay, next is before a singular noun. That means a child, a driver, a car. Okay, a child needs love and affection. Here, this child is not only referring a single child, a class, a group. Okay, a child needs love and affection. A driver must have license. Here, when a driver is referring not only a single person, the whole drivers. Okay, so only a driver must have a license. A car must be insured. Okay, then next one, in expression of price speed ratio, that means 60 rupees a kilo. Okay, that is price ratio. In that all places we will use this a or an. Okay, 40 kilometers is not a distance once a day. Okay, it is given there. Then with a certain number, a 100 rupee, a 1000 meter. Okay, with a certain numbers we will, before that we have to use this a or an. Okay, here a 100 rupee, a 1000 meter. Before the names of a profession. My brother is a doctor is a profession. My mother is a teacher, my brother is a doctor. Okay, before some profession we are using this a or an. Then he is a clerk. Before surname, a Mr. Gopal, a Mrs. Darn, if he is a stranger. Okay, if you don't know that person, when you are mentioning the name of the person, if you know means you don't want to say. Okay, a or and before that here. But when you are mentioning about some stranger, a Mr. Gopal, a Mr. Gopal means you don't know that person. He's a stranger. Only the name you know. So, okay, you are telling to someone else. So at that time, before that, you have to use the article a. Then if the vowel sounds like a consonant, then if the vowels sounds like a consonant, that means you feel that, see, vowel a e I o u, you know, but when we are pronouncing it, it will be like consonant. That place we have to use the letter a. For example, universities, here u is there, is it? Union, useful, European, 1 rupee note. Here if the vowel sounds like a consonant, that places we are using a. Okay, then an is used in the sense of one before a vowel sound, an egg, an ass, an umbrella. Okay, so here all, when wherever we are using this vowel sounds, before that an is used. Then before height, silent, and honest, and r. Okay, here the word honest and r, we will not pronounce the word letter height is silent. In that places an is used. And then if the consonant sounds like a vowel, if the vowel sounds like a consonant, we have to use a. If the consonant sounds like a vowel, we have to use this an MP, an MLA, an MSc, an LIC agent. Okay, these are the examples for that. Okay, now you got where we have to use this definite and indefinite articles. Is it, ma'am? But there are some places where we should not use article. That means we have to omit the articles. That is what we are going to see now. We are going to see the places where we have to omit the article. Omit the article means there is no need of using any article. A, an, or the. Maybe definite or indefinite, whatever it may be, we won't use in such places. Okay, so where we should not use articles, we are going to see the rules for that. Okay, before common nouns used in their widest sense. Man is mortal. Here the man is used, this common, man is a common noun, is it? This common noun is used in the widest sense. That is, man is mortal. Before that we are not using the article. What kind of book is this? What kind of a book, like that we will not use. What kind of the book we can't use. So here the book, the common noun book is a common noun, is it, children? So before the common noun book, we are not using the article a or the, because it is used in the widest sense. Then before countries and capitals, so name of the countries, before that we will not use articles. But one exception is there. Do you remember Before plural names we use the article that. Do you remember that? The United States of America, the United Arab Emirates. But for normal, when it is not used as plural form, in a singular form, any name of the countries is used, you should not use any article. For example, America, Delhi, India, whatever it may be, the America, the Delhi, it's wrong. Okay, children. So but when we the name is in the plural form, we use this article there. Keep in mind that also. Before abstract nouns. Abstract nouns, in our previous, in the bridge course time, I take all this, what is noun, what are the different types of noun, everything I explain to you, so you may know this. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun, we can feel it but we can't touch it. Okay, that is the abstract noun. For example, anger, wisdom, these are example for abstract noun. Before that abstract noun, we won't use this article. Happiness, okay, sad, okay. Now, before the names of games, names of different games, whenever you are using or writing anywhere the names of the game, you should not use the article before that. Okay, cricket, football, volleyball, basketball, whatever it may, whatever games, before that you should not write this article. Okay, for example, I play cricket, I play the cricket is wrong, I play cricket. Okay, then before uncountable noun. Noun, in one sense we can divide it into countable noun and uncountable noun. We can't count it. Okay, that is uncountable noun. So before the uncountable noun, we should not use any article. For example, sugar, rice, so we can't count. Okay, so there we should not use the sugar, the rice, that's wrong. Okay, or a sugar or a rice, that's wrong. Okay, so we should not use any article before uncountable nouns. Then before the names of languages. Okay, before the name of languages, say some languages. Tamil, English, okay, Kannada, okay, Telugu, like different languages, so whenever you are using these languages, you should not use any articles. Okay, but I told you while I am teaching you the rules for the definite article, the Tamil, the English, like that I told. So doubt me arises, it's a language, then why you are using the before that? I read clearly the rules. There, that language is used to denote a person, not a language. The Tamil means a person from Tamil Nadu. Okay, the Tamil. The English means English people. So when it is denoting a person, you can use the article there. But when this is referring to only the language, you should not use any article before that. Tamil, English, Telugu, okay, so Malayalam, okay, whenever it is referring to the language, you should not use article. When it is that language refer to a person, we can use the article there. Okay, so these are the things: definite article, indefinite articles, then where to omit all these articles I have explained. So this all rules you have to write it down in your English grammar notebook. Okay, children, when you are coming for the correction, you have to bring it. Okay, write all the rules from the articles you start, then the definite article, then indefinite article a, and then and all those things you write, then the omission of article rules, all these things you have to write in your note. Now down to that, you can see in the screen, you can see some exercises. Okay, so I will read that questions for you. While you are coming, you have to complete. It's a homework for you. Okay, children, so I'll be giving you that. So I choose the appropriate article to complete the sentence. First one, I think this is dash house we saw online. I think this is dash house we saw online. So for everything, option A and the is there. Okay, so you have to select from that. So then what, second question, what do you think of dash location? What do you think of dash location? That is the second question. Third one, it is in dash nice neighborhood. It is in dash nice neighborhood. Okay, so select one article for that. Then fourth question, dash bus stop is not too far away. Okay, dash bus stop is not too far away. Then, that's right, dash lawn is actually quite large. Okay, that's right, dash lawn is actually quite large. Then sixth one, did you see any photos of dash living room online? Did you see any photos of dash living room online? Then seventh question, I remember you said there isn't dash storeroom. I remember you said there isn't dash storeroom. Then next one, eighth question, there is dash attic where we can store things. There is dash attic where we can store things. Then I hope this house is dash better option. I hope this house is dash better option. Then next 10th question, let's wait for dash real estate agent. Let's wait for dash real estate agent. Okay, these 10 questions, it's homework. Okay ma, so what are the works you have to complete? You have to write all the rules whatever I have taught you. You can see the screen and you have to take it down, and then you have to do all the homeworks. That is 10 questions, you have to complete it as homework. Okay, thank you children.